Assalamu alaikum students. So who are millennials? Let's have a look. Yes, in previous courses we have studied about baby boomers, Generation X, Generation Y. I won't discuss them in detail over here. Let's discuss about millennials only. According to US Census Bureau, they are the ones who were born between 1977 and 95. Sometimes they say that those who were born between 95 and 2000 are also considered as millennials. Why they are important in our course? Yes, they are important in this digital age because they are the ones who are leading businesses to transform to digital ones. They are using internet all the time. They are using specifically smartphones. They are using internet for buying and selling. According to a US survey, 46% of millennials have reported having more than 200 friends on Facebook. Yes, that is why they are important to study. Because this is a big opportunity for businesses. क्योंकि वो एक millennial को target करें, they know that they can influence several of their friends on Facebook. Let's discuss some of the characteristics of millennials. As we have discussed earlier, they are more educated than previous generations. They buy more products and services online. According to a US survey, 40% of the males and 33% of the females between ages 18 and 34 reported that if they could buy everything online. They are more social than previous generations. Most of the millennials have been seen having started some business through social media. Even if they are not using social media for buying and selling, they are always active on social media for the information about the new products and services they want to buy or use. They have changed views regarding businesses. They are more innovative. Most of the millennials in US as well as in Pakistan are running their own small business enterprises. They use smartphones. Most of them use smartphones. According to a survey, 85% of millennials use smartphone for transactions as well, for buying and selling as well. They are considered to be more innovative in jobs. And most of them have the view that people should have their own small businesses instead of doing jobs.